Have you ever escaped an accident by just 1 second? A slip that almost happened. A forklift that stopped just in time. A tool that fell but missed your foot. This is called a near-miss incident. If we ignore it today, it can become a serious accident tomorrow. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, we learn workplace safety in a simple and practical way. In today's video, I will explain what a near-miss incident is, how to report it, and why reporting near-miss incidents is very important. In manufacturing industries, a near-miss incident is a situation where an accident almost happened, but luckily, no one was injured, and there was no damage to machine or material. For example, oil is spilled on the shop floor, but no one slipped. A forklift almost hits a worker, but stops at the last moment. A tool falls near the foot, but misses. These are not small issues. These are warnings. Today it is a near miss. Tomorrow, it can become a major accident. That is why near miss reporting is very important. Step 1. Identify the near miss. Observe unsafe conditions and unsafe actions like slippery floors, missing PPE, unsafe machine operation, and poor housekeeping. If you feel something is unsafe, it is a near miss. Step 2. Make the area safe. Stop the work if required. Warn nearby workers. Use caution boards or barricades. Safety comes first. Step 3. Report the near miss. Inform your supervisor, in charge, or safety officer. Remember, there is no punishment for reporting a near miss. Reporting helps to prevent accidents. Step 4. Investigation. The safety team will check what happened and why it happened. The goal is not to blame, but to find the root cause. Step 5. Corrective and preventive action. Based on the investigation, corrective and preventive actions are taken to avoid the same near miss from happening again. Now let us understand the benefits of reporting near miss incidents. First, it prevents accidents and injuries. Second, it reduces medical cost, machine damage, and production loss. Third, it improves safety culture in the workplace. Fourth, employees feel confident and safe while working. So, always report near-miss incidents. Protect yourself. Protect your coworkers. Save lives. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your coworkers and help create a safer workplace. Thank you. Stay safe.